everybody. Hello everybody. I'm doing a Dominoes pizza MukBang. Y'all can see the box. I'm doing a Dominoes pizza MukBang. Here we go, guys. Hope you enjoy. So pretty much this is your basic sausage pizza. Of course, it's from Dominoes. This is really one of my first videos of doing this food. I really call it a food review. This is a MukBang, whatever. So if you guys can see, so here it is, guys. This is pretty much a regular sausage pizza that I'm doing, and it's a MukBang. I call it. Well, I just call it a food review, guys. I hope you enjoy. Again, this is really my first time really doing this. I don't have a big table of food, and I'm just doing it off a box. So again, guys, I hope you like my content. I'm going to be doing amazing, even greater stuff for 2021 for this new year. 2021 has never looked better, guys. So again, this is a actual pizza MukBang, which is a regular Domino's pizza MukBang. I hope you guys again enjoy my content, enjoy my videos. Again, I don't have a big table of food, I don't have big time cameras, all I have is me and the cell phone, which is just as good. Again, this is going to be a quick food MukBang. Of course, it's from Domino's Pizza. And I'm going to try to stay on here as long as I can. But again, I'm going to go back. I will do maybe about a quick 5 to 7, 8, 10 minute video and see how y'all like it. Tell me what y'all think. And I'll take it from there. I'm trying to look into the camera. My eyes are focused. So I need an actual where the camera sits is like so pretty much where you all can see me. I don't have no beverages, no drinks. I'm pretty much through with sodas. I really suffered last night with heartburn. So from now on, it's water, strictly water for me. I don't have no drinks and all that, and I just want to know what you guys think. So again, guys, this is gonna be a quick video, me eating Dominoes. So again, this is a quick MukBang. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm not doing no 30-minute video. I see a lot of people doing these 30-minute videos and 20-minute videos. I mean, my videos are quick and to the point. Give y'all what y'all need. You know, whatever you like, you like. If I need extra help, please let me know. So. You know what? Some bottled water would have been great right now. But anyways, love you guys. And yeah, so how did you guys spend your New Year's yesterday? Let me know. So again, guys, I'm gonna be on here maybe about a couple more minutes, and we'll see how this goes. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, this is a little bit left, I have left of the pizza, but I'm ready to get back to my music, ready to jam. I'm ready to just really get in my own zone right now. But I just want to do a quick 5-minute video, really a little bit over 5-minute video of my Dominoes pizza mukbang. So again, love you guys. Take care. Be safe. Again, this is 2021. Let's make it great. Peace.